So hello guys, welcome back to a video. So today we are with the FL Studio tutorial. So today I'm going to show you some basics of the FL Studio and the basic beats of the FL Studio. So much people doesn't know about FL Studio. It's a instrumental DJ of on mobile and PC. So we are done with the PC now. You can also do with the mobile. Okay. So let's get your video. Here, Abhinav Rockzzz here. So let's open FL Studio now. So FL Studio is a thing that we can make music. So this is FL Studio. When you open it, you can see like this. So this is FL Studio. So you can see here so many things. And firstly, when I started, I didn't know what these things is. So these things are, I will understand you. This is the basics of the FL Studio. This is the main basics. You can see now. So these are the base basics. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers on this. And let's show you. So this is the timer here. You can when I play it, it will show sound like this. So we don't want it now. And if you are the beginner, you can open this. So I don't want it. Then you can see here so many things. And then we can take this. So you'll see a channel drag. This is you can see a channel drag here. There is kick, clap, hit hat, and snare. These are the four basic musics here. So when this is kick music. So I will show you for full. So these are the first music and this is the second music. So feels like these are the musics of basics. So these are the musics. So and this is the melody. So this is the piano roll melody. We can make melodies using this. And we can make some sounds. When we add a sound here, it goes in here. So I showed you the four instrumental musics. So these are here. So I want now to make a melody of kick. So I will just right click here. So not left click here. So when you play it, it's like this. We can make a bell sound melody. So we will talk about this later. So let's get our first basics. So then you can see here current project, recent files, plugin database, and so many things. So just we want to study about first plugin presets. These are the presets here, effects, generators, VST. So here there's piano and some musics here. You can see here FL keys, broken piano, compressed piano, concert piano, so many things. So we can add it here itself. I will choose now school piano. We can add it here. Okay, now it's you can see we can do it decay, release or nothing. So these are the basics. When we take the melody again, it can do this cold piano that we added there. So look, we can see that. So next basics is these things, and you can understand there's too many things in there. Channel presets, yeah, can add it there. So okay, there's mixer presets, so many things here. Scores, backup, so many things here, and recorded, rendered, sliced audio. You want to do that. If you want to do that, if I can do it recorded and send it here. So let's get to our basic beats tutorial. So let's make some beats here. So firstly, when I was a beginner, I do like this. Just clicking here and there, left click, there, here and there, here and there, here and there. So now it's a music you think. So this is a music when I was a beginner. Actually, because when I was the first time using it was very bad. So let's make a. Oh, this one is actually not a beat. It's a basic basic things when we study and we can make a simple music with it. So these are the things we can make music now. So when you keep this and this, it can make a music. Here, here. So here, now we are going to study about today's channel presets and mixer presets and plugin presets. So when we are about channel presets, it's a thing that we can do with the simple musics, various useful musics. This is a look and this is bad. There are so many musics you can try it. Not everyone can observe it. Look, so many things are there. So when I add this, there's a kick 4, kick 3, 4. When I add this to drag and here, drag to here, you can see so much things. And this goes where we can do the volumes. Just add it. And when we add these two, it's mixing things. So you can see that's some music here. So when we make a music, you can't see anything here. What's this? So anything here, what's this? So you can't see anything here firstly. And when we make a music here and we add it here, just right click here, no, left click here, it added the music that I made. And just change it to song and play it. So this is things that you can see now. It's same ordinary jungly music. So these are the music. So first we make the simple music, then we can it longer and longer and longer. So one music, and we can make so many ads. We can make his. Let's add another thing from mixer presets. I think we can add fluorescent here, fluorescent, and add it full. You can see nothing there because that's mixer presets. Because when we add music, we add mixer presets. This chorus, it makes that so many people are singing this. You can see that. So that's the basics of the FL Studio that I showed basics. So here you can see the two things here. The fourth one, this the beats that the beats that we are making, this bigger beats. We can do this. So this are the insert 1, insert 2, insert 3, insert 4. And this is the chorus that we added now. We can make beats by this volume off and volume done. Insert 1, insert 2, insert 3, kick, kick. There are so many here. This is not basics firstly. You can see that we are adding this. So then we want to do another music. We want to all change this, so this also changes. So we want to make a pattern 2. When we scroll down up, it's pattern 2, pattern 3, pattern 4, pattern 5. So we want pattern 2 and add some more. It's gone. And here's the music. And just change this PAT. And this, this. It's the basics, okay, for beginners. It's for beginners. So for beginners, it will look amazing. So this is the basics. So when we make a beat or a music with it, just add these and make a music. I'm adding a plugin presets, the emulators. Okay, hi. I want this. So I'm making a meme of this and change this presets. Pattern to pattern 2. So pattern 2 I am adding a high full and then just take the high. So that's the high music. So when I add this and this kick for on this. So these are the basics or the beats of the FL Studio. So please subscribe and like the video. So this much for the video. These are the basics for the FL Studio. So hope you guys like the video. So thank you guys for watching it. Have a good day. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and if you don't friends or you don't know it, share it. So thank you for watching. Bye.